it's Kay from MK Beauty 123, and today this is going to be my competition entry for MrFashionGal's 100 subscriber contest. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do firework nails. Now, it's tomorrow, like it's firework night, and I thought this would be really good for fireworks, you know, just go with a theme kind of. So I'm going to be using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colours, and first one is an emerald grey. It's kind of a metallic-y grey. It looks really cool. A white, it's a striper. Do you want to see where I got my products from? There's a review video, so you can just check that out. Art Deco LA Colours, striper in shimmer red, also an Art Deco blue striper, and top coat, and some glitter, which is on the stripe and sparkle. So first of all, let's go down. I'm going to be working on this nail for you, so you can see clearly what I'm doing. I'm sorry that the camera quality, I can't really zoom in, so I'm going to start off doing that as my base coat. I've already applied strengthener, because strengthener is really good to protect your nail, but it doesn't really matter if you don't put strengthener on, it doesn't really make a difference. So just apply a thin coat of that. So I'm just blowing on it to speed up the dry process. I'm just going to get my hairdryer. You can watch me get my hairdryer. It's like just down there, okay? So, I'm just going to go get it. Okay. So I'm just gonna dry my nail to speed up the process, because it might take a long time. So just bear with me a second. Okay. Oops. Then apply another layer to make it look opaque. And there you have your base coat. But while the second coat is still dry, get your sparkles and add them. It doesn't matter if you don't have sparkles, but I would recommend sparkles because it makes it just look so pretty. And blow dry the excess off and seal it. Or you could just leave to dry, but I'm just doing this because I need to. Okay, so when it's just about dry, I'm going to start off with my Amanda Fullerton Nail Boutique stripe in white. And what you do is from one corner, you do a line going out, not all the way. 2 nice lines going out. Just closing the lid. Then, with your metallic-y blue, just open it. It's quite tough. Ooh, it is quite tough. Ooh. Do one line going from the center as well. one going up there, and maybe one along the bottom here. Then after that you leave to dry, or in my case, blow dry. Whoa, 1 second. Oh, sorry. I'm just trying to open my red. It's really tough. Ugh. Ah. There we go. Oh, hang on 1 second. Okay. My red's open now, finally. And next, you do a stripe going up. A stripe going kind of a thin stripe through the middle of the blue and white ones. And that is your main design. Then, to add a bit of, you can add a few explosion dots. Around the edge of your design. And finally, you can add some more sparkles. And then, leave to dry. Or in my case, just close all your lids. You don't want them to dry up. And there is your final design. You can definitely vary the colours. I mean, another one I'm going to do, because I'm going to a firework party, so I think it would be cool if I could do loads of these. I'm going to be using bright colours, some of these colours. Also, you can vary the colour of glitter. So I've got these blue and greens, and I've also got a nice purple. So yeah, you can really be really creative with this and just go for different colours. I'm just going to go through the colour scheme that I've chosen. So I chose like a dark grey for the night sky, and then my different colours, because sometimes you see the really colour coordinated, and also because they're the colours of the British flag, and sparkles just to make it look cosmic shimmering in the night sky. Yes, I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial, and I hope you enjoyed my contest entry, MrFashionGal.
I don't know what else to say, but thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe, comment, like. If you want us to do any particular nail art videos, then you can just send us a message. Yep, so see you guys later. Bye!